Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I want to discuss how we want to proceed moving forward with this channel. So in the past, you've seen me, I do multiple longevity, durability tests, things like that for different products, coatings, waxes, sealants, etc. Tire coatings, tire dressings, trim coatings, just kind of anything and everything. And so, with this almost 2-year pause that I had for personal reasons, I wanted to kind of reevaluate everything and see how we want to move forward. What do you guys really want to see? Do you want to see more of like DIYs? Do you want to see continue the way I have been with just different durability testing? I'm all ears, and I want to see what is best for you guys, because again, this channel is for you guys. It was built and evolved through your guys' opinions, suggestions, things like that, and I would like to continue it that way. So if you want to see things more of the DIYs, I have a lot of I guess potential content that I have, because I have a lot of neighbors around me that know that I do this and would like me to address a couple things on their vehicles. Either you've heard me talk about in a previous video, the paint fade from decals left on a work vehicle, things like that. Or do you want to see interior stuff, if there's specific issues? I'm all ears. So just let me know in the comments what you want to see. Very short video today. And so I just want to, it's been a long day. So I just want to see what you guys want to see. That's basically why I'm making this video for you today. So do you want to see any of that? I do have stuff that I have purchased over the last 2 years that I'm going to do those no matter what, get through them. It's, the Rupes cordless polishers, the smaller and the bigger one, the 75 and the 21, or in the 15. So I will do those, and that will be added to the cordless polisher tests that I've always had going. I've pretty much tested everything on the market as far as the cordless ones goes that are available to the public. So I will add those, and we'll see how they hold up versus some of the other stuff. As I've said in the previous video, because we have closed our shop last year, that the access to some of the professional only coatings has gone away, as well as some of the paint protection film. So that kind of content is going to be a little bit more limited, or, that kind of leads into another thing. Do you want to see more of the do-it-yourself or prosumer type of products, compared, suggested? Walk into Walmart, AutoZone, whatever, buy what's on the shelf, and let's go test it. And, there's some pros and cons to that, because a lot of other people, since I've started doing this back in 2008, a lot of other people have started doing those, and you'll see, they put the hoods with the squares and all that, and it's a good way to test them. Do you want to see more real world stuff? I have good old F-150 here. It's got 300,000 miles on it, and it's my daily driver. It's the Cube, the Nissan Cube you saw. This basically replaced it. So it sees in the area of 100 to 150 miles a day that's put on it. And here in the East Texas weather, you have all the intense sun. We do get some snow and ice, very little, but is that something you want to see? Again, let me know. This is all for you guys. So again, I feel like I'm rambling on here, but let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. That's basically it. So thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.